A California family is spending $1,500 on their New Year's Eve party, but it's not for food, drinks, or even fireworks.
Yeah, they spent that money on a machine to get their guests tested for COVID. Tim Johns brings us the story.
We've decided that it's worth the risk of doing it.
With New Year's just a few days away, Andrew Angus and his family are determined to throw a party at their Marin County home.
We wanted to have this party, and we think that we can do this safely.
It's possible, he says, thanks to an at-home test processing machine that he bought several months ago.
You put the cartridge in, it heats up, then you get the sample from your nose, stick it into the cartridge, and it syncs with my phone.
The process takes about 20 minutes in total, a time frame much faster than waiting for PCR tests done at regular testing sites. Angus says he's created a spreadsheet for guests to come get their tests done.
We wouldn't do this if we just had rapid antigen tests, but with a PCR test, it's going to be better at asymptomatic infection and early infection.
Angus says the testing regimen is costing the family about $1,500, a price they're willing to pay, especially for two of their children who are still too young to be vaccinated.
It's been a stressful year, but it's been a really big and important year for our family, and for us to all come together with our friends is important for us to do.
Health officials are recommending that people cancel New Year's parties.
We're seeing now that there are outbreaks occurring even in gatherings where everyone's vaccinated. And that's something we need to have our eyes wide open around.
But given that they've hosted other parties outdoors successfully over the past year, Angus says he's confident they're being as safe as possible.
But I think we're going to be living like this for a long time, and so getting used to how we do things and limit the risks is important.